here we have two lists of Kevin Bacon films. The original list, the my list here, which is the first one here, is our original, okay? We have another list as well, and we want to know which ones in this list, which films are not in this list. In other words, we want to, let's say, highlight in yellow those movies that are here that are not here, okay? And then we can go beyond that. But the point of the matter is we just want to see, comparing the two lists, which ones are missing, okay, from in this list. In other words, what ones should we have that are in here that are not in here, right? So how do we do that? Well, first of all, we'll go ahead and we'll select the second list there, right? Because that's the one we want to highlight. And then what we're going to do is we're going to go back into conditional formatting, new rule, use a formula. And then the formula, again, we're going to be using another count if again here. So we're going to do equal count if, all right? And then in left parenthesis, what we're going to put in here is going to be, in essence, the range of A2 through A33. So that's going to be, we're going to be looking at this list here. So we're going to select from here to there, all right? Do that first, and it's going to all be absolute, which is fine. That's what we have there, so that's good. And then we're going to do a comma, and then we're just going to type in C2. That's going to be the beginning of this list here. And then we'll put a parenthesis around there, balance that out, and then we're going to do an equal 0, okay? Which is telling it to just highlight those which are missing from the first list, right? All right, so once we've done that, we'll go back to the format here. We'll go to fill. We'll do a yellow. We'll do the bright yellow. We'll hit OK, and then hit OK, and that's it. So now we can look at that and say that these in yellow are not in this list over here, and then take appropriate action from there. But we just want to see which ones are missing. We don't want to do anything beyond that at this point. All right, so hopefully this will help. I hope you enjoyed the video. It's a pretty easy thing to do there. This was something that was done before with a number of different function formulas, and it didn't highlight like we get here with the conditional formatting. So I think this is the best one. All right, take care. Appreciate you watching.